Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know if someone has deleted their Snapchat account. Firstly, open your Snapchat app and head over to chat section. Now you can see all of these different people. If you are curious because somebody is not responding to any messages, if they deleted their Snapchat account or not, the best way to find out is go to their profile. Let's go to one of the random profile. And you can see there is a little ghost right under the profile image. It's code 64783. Here we can see that this person's account has not been deleted. So let's go to another one. But if I go to different one, and you can see there is no ghost on its profile, and this is the best indication that this account has been deleted, so this person does not have account anymore. And this is how we find if someone has deleted their Snapchat account. I hope this tutorial will help you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching.